Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Umdlali weStellenbosch bafethu uThabo Mooloisane kudala afunwa yiKaizer Chiefs bafethu. So over a year manje iKaizer Chiefs ilokhu imgijimisa imfuna umdlali. But imfune la bene-contract khona i-Sirius iStellenbosch. So iStellenbosch you're not willing ukuthi bamhambise umdlali cheap. But guess what manje istory sesitshintshile. iKaizer Chiefs still isamfuna umdlali because ifuna ukustrengthena i-defense yabo. Sikhumbule ukuthi uKaizer Chiefs ama-defense badila nama-injuries amaningi and at the moment banabadlali abawu-3 nje kuphela laphana bafethu ku-center back. So they need umdlali a proven performer, umuntu one-experience and une-international pedigree, udlala ku-CAF Confederations Cup. So the first time iKaizer Chiefs ibonisa i-interest it was 2024 ngalo mdlali lona bathi bayamfuna ngempela because of iKaizer Chiefs beyifuna ukurebuilda i-team as a whole. But-ke into estakile it was the contract between i-contract yakhe umdlali because he still had like 2 years then uStellenbosch siyazi ukuthi sifuna imali eningi, sibabonile nakuBasadeni ukuthi bebafuna imali eningi. Bake basebenzisana iStellenbosch neKaizer Chiefs in terms of amanye ama-player, but when you are overpricing the player, obviously iKaizer Chiefs ngeke ikhiphe ma-15-20 million. Sikhumbule ukuthi uBasadeni bamthengise 20 million plus, no-Adams naye around 20 million ekhishwe iMamelodi Sundowns. So noMloisane they would want around that range. But guess what, indaba ezinhleke manje ukuthi umdlali sekangajoyina iKaizer Chiefs mahala ngoJanuary iKaizer Chiefs ingaya all out imsayine, bangasayina pre-contract neKaizer Chiefs. But iKaizer Chiefs bafeyisa i-competition from amanye ama-teams because even i-Orlando Pirates they were heavily linked with umdlali bebambhekile laphana. So it's all up to umdlali manje ukuthi ufuna ukuya kuyiphi i-team because of ukusho kwacaca ukuthi yena ngeke ayisayine i-contract i-renewal neStellenbosch. Bayazama ukukhuluma naye behind closed doors ukuthi asayine renew i-contract yakhe, but no, yena akafuni ukuloba fethu, akafuni ukusayina i-contract neStellenbosch because ufuna ukujoyina ama-big teams. iKaizer Chiefs-ke obviously-ke yona i-weight yes ike yaba nayo le pedigree, ike yasayina abantu umdlalo uDihloko. Yes, uDihloko bake bamsayina laphana ku-SuperSport United nge-pre-contract, uSithebe from AmaZulu nge-pre-contract. uSithebe waze waxabana namaZulu bagcine bangamdlalisanga 6 months yonke. So bayakwazi ukuconvince ama-player babathathe nge-pre-contract. So I think into kumele bayenze manje ukuthi baye all out ngoJanuary, bamnike i-contract engcono, i-signing on fee engcono, i-offer engcono better than amanye ama-teams because of akhona ama-teams azombheka umfana. But yeah, iKaizer Chiefs ine-opportunity kakhulu ukuthi imsayine umdlali bafethu, to be honest. So kulele kubo ukuthi baye all out. And iKaizer Chiefs obvious namanje they were linked with lo mdlali lona bedlalela yona iStellenbosch, uThore. But-ke nangomunye ubani ongamchuza bafethu, ngoba uthula abadlali laba iKaizer Chiefs ingabathola mahhala. But uThabo Mooloisane can only join 2026 ngoJune i-contract emayiphela ngeStellenbosch, but bangamsayina nge-pre-contract ukuthi already abe yiplayer leKaizer Chiefs. Ba-make sure ukuthi by the time vele abe free agent uzoza kuKaizer Chiefs is guaranteed, just uzospenda last 6 months of isikhathi sakhe laphana because of iFIFA iyavumela ukuthi ama-player asayine i-pre-contract mawasele what is this ne-last 6 months of i-contract yabo. Naye umfethu asazi ukuthi yena inhliziyo yakhe ifuna yiphi team, ifuna i-Orlando Pirates, ifuna ini or ucabanga i-overseas because of abadlali laphana baku-Stellenbosch abanye bayaya overseas. And sikhumbule ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates around uJune kuthiwa it was believed that i-Orlando Pirates beyi-close to ukumsayina lo mdlali lo after-ke outstanding season yakhe. Njengoba bengishilo iKaizer Chiefs ayicompete yodwa bafethu, ikhompyutha ne-Orlando Pirates, ikhompyutha namanye ama-teams maybe even overseas because of lo mdlali lo udlale kahle kakhulu for iStellenbosch, ukhona kuBafana Bafana. So naku-CAF Confederations Cup ucontribute kakhulu kuStellenbosch. iKaizer Chiefs bamdinga ngempela-ke. Yabona mina I would prefer ukuthi basayine yena than uThore because technically better uMloisane, even noma adlala is comfortable on the ball, is way better than amanye ama-defender waku-Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest. Mangibukela igame yakhe uThore, I remember this game bebadlala ne-Chiefs or bebadlala nana concede penalty unnecessary. But-ke siya-understand ukuthi ayenzeka amaphutha, we can't say, but-ke ezinye izinto bezi-questionable. But I would prefer ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ilande uThabo bafethu than uThore because I mean both ama-player lawo bangawathola mahhala. So uThabo Muloyisane uyi-player leMamelodi Sundowns noma ngithi uyi-product yeMamelodi Sundowns. Wakhulela kuMamelodi Sundowns laphana youth system yeMamelodi Sundowns. Waya-ke ku-reserve team kuMamelodi Sundowns, and then-ke bamusa waya laphana ku-All Stars. Is it Cape Town All Stars? Yes, Cape Town All Stars. Waya kuma-Rensburg United. And then-ke ku-Stellenbosch kula impilo yakhe vele yashintsha khona, wasibonisa sonke bafowethu abathandi bebhola iquality yakhe. Ngifuna ukungena kuma-stats wakhe ne-contribution yakhe nje ku-career yakhe. Bafana so far sedlala ama-matches awu-2, even nakuma-under 20 udlalile ama-match awu-3. So ngiyambona ukhule kuMamelodi Sundowns ku-youth development e-right, ku-system e-right. Wakwazi ukudlalela nama-under 20 internationally before i-South Africa. Wayengithi Bafana i-South Africa under 20, manje sekakuBafana. Is present laphana kuBafana. Contribution yakhe kwamanye ama-game siyayibona. Stellenbosch udlala ama-game amaningi kakhulu bafowethu. Cabanga uStellenbosch udlala ama-game awu-99 since efikile laphana ngo-2023. Unamagoli awu-4 nama-assist awu-3. Unayo i-contribution meya laphana phambili. Kuma-Rensburg United-ke wadlala ama-game awu-27 nje kuphela. Then iStellenbosch sabona something ngayo mfana ukuthi, oh, there's something here, there's some greatness kule defender leli. That is why bamsayina kuStellenbosch. Somehow iStellenbosch bafethu siyakwazi ukusayina. They have an eye for talent. Bayakwazi ukudiscover talent, balibona ukuthi yabona lo uye, bakwazi ukubuilda something around yena. Sazi ukuthi amanye ama-team wayahluleka ukubona italent in front of them, like there's a big talent but you don't see that talent. But iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ine-chance enkulu ukuthi imsayine uThabo. So kulele kubo bafethu ukuthi baye all out bamsayine. Is there for the taking. It's just up to bona ukuthi ba-convince yena straight, because manje ngabe bakhuluma ne-agent lakho ukuthi mfethu lo muntu lo angayindawo thina somu-ofara. Let's say for example i-Chiefs ngeke ishawe i-Orlando Pirates phela ngemasalary bafethu, angeke. There's no way i-Chiefs ishawe i-Orlando Pirates ngesalary ukuconvince i-player ukuthi lize ku-Chiefs. And i-Chiefs are thinking nomdlali angaba interested ku-Chiefs because of, I mean, i-energy different, bayaperforma manje. There's something formidable obonayo ukuthi bangayibuilda. Konke kulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi bayamfuna, ne-Orlando Pirates yamfuna, basempini womdlali o-exciting kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. Umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi bazokwazi ukumthola na. Kunonyaka bemfuna, yes, kunonyaka bemfuna. And then i-Orlando Pirates nayo iney'nyanga imbhekile umfana. Asazi ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates izoshaya isaka aPolice ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina umdlalo, but aPolice was a different story because of i-Orlando Pirates inobudlelwane nePolokwane City. That is why Polokwane City bawachitha nje wonke amathimu baya ku-Orlando Pirates. This time around iStellenbosch man asina power ezithima, abana power at all. Umdlali okumele decide ukuthi ufuna ukuya kuphi. Cela uyibamba la. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi selikhulisa i-page. I bring you exclusive news, world-class news, but the most important thing, the accurate news. Hayi nje izinto asithatha ama-chance la, shine it straight.